Hello, my name is Miss Maria and I would like to welcome you to this online session. Today we'll be reading a short passage from this book. This is an installment in the Football School series. It's called Football School Epic Heroes. Today we'll be looking at another side to this lovable sport, to football. We'll be looking at the fans, one particular fan. In our session, we'll be focusing on prediction and questioning. So before we get to the passage, I would like us to discuss the passage together. We'll start off with the title of the passage. It's in the middle, it's Blind Faith. Blind faith, this is when someone has this unshakable, this strong faith, belief in someone or in something. Now, since I mentioned football fans, we can assume that the passage is about a fan or some fans who have this strong belief, this blind faith in who or what. What could fans be crazy about or be obsessed with? On this paper, you can see some words which will feature in the passage. Let's read them together. So, bronze statue, seat 164 of row 15, Valencia, and symbol. So let me start off with this word here, Valencia. Valencia is a place in Spain, but it's also the name of a football team from the same city, Valencia. So we have a football team here. So maybe the fans or the fan is obsessed with the team, Valencia, maybe. We also have seat 164 of row 15. Where could this seat be? Where is the row? Maybe it's at the football stadium. Maybe it's Valencia's football stadium or any other football stadium, who knows? And on the other side are the words bronze statue and underneath symbol. So there's a statue. What could the statue be representing? Could it be symbolic of something? Maybe a milestone or a big success or an achievement for this team? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's read the passage together. Blind faith. Superfan immortalized after death. Vicente Navarro was one of Spanish club Valencia's, here we are, biggest fans. When he went blind, aged 54, he continued to go to every home match at Valencia's Mestalla Stadium with his son, who explained the action unfolding on the pitch for him. Navarro moved his seat from the center line so he could be closer to the pitch and hear the action better. For over 30 years, he sat in seat 164 of row 15 in the Tribuna Central section. 20 years after Navarro lost his sight, Valencia won the Spanish league title in 2004. Navarro said it was the happiest year of his life. Soon after, they won the Spanish Cup. His son, also called Vicente, said Dad wanted to feel the club. Navarro had a watch that spoke the time when he pressed a button. Superstitious fans watching around him trusted his watch more than the referee's timekeeping. They would tell him to press the button when they were getting tense before the end of matches. Navarro had been excited to celebrate the 2019 season. That was the club's 100th anniversary. Sadly, however, he died in 2016 at the age of 88. Valencia did not want their superfan to miss the party, or any future games though. They built a bronze statue, which permanently occupies seat 164 of row 15 of Tribuna Central. He is a symbol who represents forever all those who experienced the emotion of supporting Valencia, said the club. In 2020, when the coronavirus pandemic forced some matches in Europe to be played in empty stadiums, Valencia played a Champions League knockout match against Atalanta. They lost the game 3-4, and no fans were in the stadium to see it, except one. Navarro's statue was there in seat 164, row 15 of Tribuna Central, just like always. And that's the end of the story. I hope that you enjoyed it. Now let's move on to the second part of the session, the second objective, questioning. I have prepared 5 questions about the story, and the questions are here on the table. There are 5 envelopes containing 1 question each. Let me choose a random number. I'll open the envelope, read the question aloud to you, and see if you can answer the question. See if you can remember the story. If you need to, perhaps you can go back and listen to the story again and then move on to the questions. So let's start with question number, I'll start with 4. So question 4. What was so special about Navarro's watch? Okay, I'm going to move on to number 2. Who told Vicente Navarro what was happening during the game, during the matches? Okay, move on. What is the name of Valencia's football stadium? Number 3. Where is Vicente Navarro's seat? And the final question, question 5. Why did the club build a bronze statue for Vicente Navarro? And those are the questions. Feel free to write or come up with more questions about this passage. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the session. Bye bye.